Well, welcome to the second part of our MedCram lecture. We were talking about the fact that the myocardiocytes have a negative charge inside of them, and that's very important. And again, the reason why that is for two things. Number one, we are pumping sodiums outside of the cell and potassiums inside of the cell, so we have a large potassium concentration. But we also are permeable to potassium, so some of that potassium does leak out, although it's still predominantly elevated potassium on the inside of the cell. For those two reasons, we're very negative on the inside of the cell. And yes, there is some positivity on the outside, but because the volume of solution outside of the cells is so large, what the big issue is that we just see a negative charge. And so because of this negative charge on the inside of the cells, the cell is said to be polarized. And so what we'll see is if we were to have a graph, and this is 0, we would see that the cell's voltage is in the negative range as opposed to being in the positive range. Now, what happens and what can happen is